Thought I'd get dressed up, you know. They always said whenever you're getting interviewed to look your finest.
We call it interview with a YouTuber. We call it interview with a YouTuber. Tell me what you're waiting for. Tell me what you're waiting for. You wanna get our way, my way. Talk about the flyway, no way. You wanna get our way. Tell me what you're waiting for.
Domingo, fancy meeting you here.
Welcome to the show, Mr. Witty. I have absolutely 5 questions for you today, so why don't we get started right now so you don't become a fapping bottom. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Now, how did you originally find YouTube?
That's an interesting question. Found YouTube because I wanted to watch crazy videos of cats, laughing babies, silly stuff like that. That's all I thought YouTube was for the longest time. And then, once I started making videos last summer, I realized that it is an amazing community full of awesome people, all with the same passion, making awesome stuff for other people to watch.
What is your profession?
I'm a lover. No, I'm a book reader, a professional book reader. And by that, I mean I go to school, and it is tons of fun reading those books and putting all the things in your brain. Stuff. Yeah.
If you could be a hybrid in the world, what would it be and why? Huh?
A spider monkey with wings. Like, so I'd be a spider monkey with eagle wings, and you could call me whatever you want. I prefer spider monkey because that sounds awesome. But that would be terrifying, and it would also be awesome because I would be that spider monkey soaring through the skies, raining terror on unsuspecting people. It would be incredible.
Alright then, let's get on to the sticky wicket. What is one of your favourite YouTube videos?
Ouch, Charlie! You bit me, and it hurt. Yes, that was a terrible, terrible impression of Charlie Bit My Finger. Has to be one of my favorite videos. I've watched it so many times, and I laugh every single time. Ouch, Charlie! You bit. Okay, no more of that. I can't pull off the 5-year-old.
Now, Rob Whitty, that is a bloody clever username that you came up with. So, how did you come up with that bloody username?
Well, you see, I took my entire name, kind of like Lord Voldemort, Tom Riddle, and I didn't really mix it up. I just smashed it together into this lovely Rob Whitty channel name that is now who I am. Woo! 2005! Happy New Year! How did that get on me? It's ridiculous.
Alright then, that's enough of that sticky wicket. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Our Way. Feel free to check out this box of 6s and 7s up at the top there. So tell them to subscribe. Tell them that this bloke Domingo sent you and that you should subscribe to the channel right now or else he'll beat you up with a bloody stick. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Our Way. Domingo couldn't be here to talk to you about this. I am Nigel the Fast. Get beautiful life and I'll see you later. Blizzaga!
We call it interview with a YouTuber. We call it interview with a YouTuber. Tell me what you're waiting for. Tell me what you're waiting for. You wanna get our way, my way. Talk about the flyway, no way. You wanna get our way. Tell me what you're waiting for.
Ouch, Charlie! You bit me!